Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about Rivian, ticker symbol RIVN. I did just want to talk to you about some news that just came out, and also the most importantly, they did have a tow challenge with the Toyota Tundra. Let's find out who won and what my thoughts are on this. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to get your free stocks down below. I have a great promotion that can get you a free Lucid stock using my link down below to Moomoo. Take advantage of that, as this promotion will not last long. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk to you about Rivian. Is it had a towing challenge with the Toyota Tundra, just recently reported in Inside EVs. I read the article and I was quite impressed, and I did want to tell you some takeaway notes that I did find from this. But first of all, just to set up the background, the Toyota Tundra did have a competition with the Rivian R1T pickup truck. They did tow the exact same trailer. It weighed about 2,000 pounds, a pretty small trailer, and they towed it around a loop that was about 158 miles in length. And they did monitor and see how both of these vehicles did with their range and with their energy efficiency. So that being said, the results came back very astonishing. I was actually a little bit surprised, both good and bad. I guess it was really good to see that there is a first electric pickup truck out there that can now tow. But looking at the results, it looks like both of these vehicles, the Toyota Tundra had a full tank of gas. The Rivian R1T had a full battery charge. It has a battery pack of 135 kilowatts, and it was charged to 100%. When the Rivian did tow the trailer around this course, it did end up with about 18% battery life left, which means that it used quite a bit of electricity, quite a bit of energy, towing this 2,000 trailer around this loop of 158 miles. Now, what that does tell me is that if you are towing something with the electric vehicle, the electric truck, range anxiety is still an issue, because that Rivian did almost go to empty on that electrical charge. So you could only drive up to about 165 miles to get a full charge out of that Rivian. So that being said, if you are towing anything with the Rivian, you're going to have to recharge that battery quite a bit often, especially if you're going on some long trips. Now, that being said, looking at its battery pack, 130 kilowatt battery, and the miles driven, it did come out to be, according to my calculation, about 1.9 miles per kilowatt hour that the Rivian actually delivered, which in looking at in terms of efficiency is pretty electron hungry. It was going through this battery pack quite a bit to get this trailer towed. Now, what that tells me about the future of Rivian is several things, and some little bit of factors that do worry me, because we do know that Rivian will be making an all-electric delivery van for Amazon, and I do suspect that whenever Amazon does use this to deliver packages to retail customers, that these packages do have a lot of weight on them. I'm not sure how many pounds, but I am guesstimating that if they do have a huge van full of very heavy packages to be delivered, this is going to be very electron hungry. I am not sure how this is going to be with the Amazon delivery vans, but if that efficiency isn't there, are they really going to be using this delivery van if they have to put on a lot of miles during the day? So I do suspect that Amazon delivery trucks do go more than 160 miles each day. If you are aware of this, or if you're an Amazon driver, leave a comment down below. But this is kind of bad and looking bad for this company if they are going to be selling electric delivery vans to commercial vehicles, as this charging is going to be an issue. Also, if you are using the Rivian to go on long trips camping, it could be, having some range anxiety because you can only travel about 160 miles before having to recharge your battery. A lot of people that do travel have to travel a lot further than that. So that means that you will have to charge your battery quite a bit. Now, when we do compare it to the Toyota Tundra for the exact mile course, the 158 mile course, it did use about 30% of its gas tank. It does have a gas tank about 40 gallons, which equates to that one trip being about $40, with that article being said from Inside EVs. Now, that being said, if you are going on long trips, the Toyota Tundra or the internal combustion engine is actually going to fare a lot better if you are going on long trips, because again, range anxiety is going to be an issue, is going to be a problem. So that does need to be solved. That does teach me something about electric vehicles. They are nice to have. We definitely know that the performance of the Rivian is there. But if you're going on long trips and you are going to be doing a lot of heavy duty towing, Rivian or all electric vehicles, is it going to be a problem? It definitely could. So that did teach me a very big lesson about this company, about electric motors, and something that we do need to work on, that efficiency. So again, during my calculation, the Rivian did make about 1.9 miles per kilowatt hour. So even if you increase the battery pack to 150 kilowatt battery pack, this is going to be making around 200-mile range. Again, not long enough, in my opinion, to tow very heavy things. So you will have to be recharging quite a bit. Now, looking at some more news about Rivian, we did just hear that they did have another fire in their plant. It was around the battery assembly area. We're not quite sure the details about this. Did it halt productions? Did it not? We're not sure. But we are also hearing that Rivian is having some supply chain issues with their battery supplier, Samsung. So both of these are causing some huge downward pressure, downward news about this. In my own opinion, I do think that the Rivian stock will go lower than it is. Again, we have seen a huge decrease in its stock price in the past 1 month. It is down about 30%. But we did have, if you go back from its IPO date on November 10th, it has actually gone down from $172 to as low as $53. I am still staying on the sidelines. I did actually purchase some stocks of Rivian at $80. As at that time, I thought it was a good deal. But since then, we've had still a lot of downward pressure. Wall Street is still very bullish on this company. They do still have very high projections in the next 12 months, in the 1 year. But I do foresee a lot of downward pressure on this company, especially with the new towing, the new range issues that I am foreseeing. And now we are starting to see the supply chain issue problems that Rivian is having. So again, I just did want to mention this. I did want to put that out there. I hope you found this video helpful, and it's great to talk to you again. It is Monday. Enjoy the week. Have a great week. Stay safe, stay warm, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Before we get down into it, and in this video, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with others, your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, as we're growing this channel quite nicely. But in addition to this, I do have those free promotions that you can get a free Lucid stock using my link down below to Moomoo. Open an account, put in $100. That free Lucid stock is yours. But in addition to this, Moomoo is also giving you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500, which is a chance to get $17,500 in free stocks. So far, my viewers have written me that they received Tesla stock, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Lucid stocks. The list keeps growing. Congratulations to those viewers that did get those stocks. And but have a great week, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Thank you.